Hey there guys, Chet here. Have you ever been building an automation and you find yourself getting stuck? Maybe you need to do one very specific thing, like format a date in a special way, or do a simple math calculation, but there is no pre-built node that can do it for you. It can be a very frustrating feeling, believe me. Well, n8n has a very special tool for exactly these kinds of situations. It is called the code node, and it is the most powerful and flexible node in the entire platform. And in this video, I'm going to show you what the code node is and how to use it in a very simple way. You don't need to be a professional developer to use it. So by the end of this video, you will have the confidence to use this node to solve any custom problem that you run into. And by the way, if you don't already have an n8n account, I'll leave a link in the description to the official site where you can sign up and start building. And if you want to host n8n on your own server, I have made a separate video showing how to do that with Hostinger, step by step. Both links are below. So, what is the code node? Well, the code node is a special node that gives you a small box where you can write a tiny bit of JavaScript code. JavaScript is the popular programming language that powers most of the modern web. This means that you can do almost anything that you can imagine right inside of your n8n workflow. The most important thing to understand is this: you do not use the code node to build your entire workflow. You should always use the normal, easy visual nodes for 99% of your work. You only use a code node as a special tool when you need to do one small custom thing that a regular node cannot do easily. It is your key to solving any problem. So let's look at a very simple example to see how it all works. Now imagine we have a workflow that gets the first name and the last name of a new customer. We want to combine these two pieces of text to create a friendly full name to use in a welcome message. This is a perfect and simple job for the code node. So I have a workflow here that already has the first name and the last name as input data. After that step, I will click the plus icon, search for the code, and add it to my workflow. And when you open the code, you will see a simple screen for your code. The first thing we need to know is how to get our data from the previous step. n8n makes this all very easy. All of the data from the node before it is available for you to use. For example, we can easily get the first name and the last name of our customer. Now we will write just one single line of JavaScript code. We will create a new piece of data called full name. We will have it equal the first name from our input plus a space plus the last name from our input. It's as simple as that. We're just telling the computer to combine these two pieces of text into one. The final step inside the code node is to tell it what data to send to the next step in our workflow. We will tell it to return the new full name data that we just created. So the code node will take in the separate first name and last name, and it will output the combined full name. We can now use this new piece of data in any other node, like sending a personalized email. Now that you see how the code node works, you can probably imagine how powerful it is. Learning to use it effectively is what allows you to build truly professional and custom automations that can solve any business problem. And this is exactly the type of advanced skill that I teach inside of my school community. We go way beyond the basics and learn how to build real professional systems with n8n, including how and when to use the code node. We have courses and live calls to help you master these techniques. So if you're ready to become an automation pro, the link to my community is in the description. We just use the code node to do a very simple text combination, but you can use it for so much more. You can use it for custom math, to change the date and time formats, or to handle your data in very specific and unique ways. It gives you all the power of code without needing to be a full-time programmer. The next time you get stuck in n8n, remember the code node. It is the most flexible tool that you have for solving any problem. And that is it for this video. I hope that this makes the code node feel much less intimidating and a lot more powerful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.